Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you a simple winter knit that is easy to make. It has excellent elasticity and size retention. The pattern includes 4 loops and 2 rows, with 3 loops in the knit part and 1 in the purl section. Let's start on the right side. The first row is on the right side, after the edge loop. The repeat pattern is purl 1, knit 3 together, yarn over, knit the first of the 3 once again, purl 1, knit 3 together, yarn over, knit the first once again. Continue knitting in this manner until the end of the row. The second row is on the wrong side, after the edge loop. The repeat pattern is knit 1, purl 2, slip 1 stitch, the yarn is in front. Again, knit 1, purl 2, slip 1. Continue knitting in this manner until the end of the row. I have presented you with a typical winter knit that is voluminous and suitable for knitting a sweater, hat, or scarf. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate your presence. If you find the video helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications never to miss a video. I hope that you found inspiration for your next knitting project. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon.